Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know.
Hello guys, this is day 7. We're on our way to the Mauritius Black River National Park. I just pulled over for 5-10 minutes because I saw there is a small lake. I just want to have a look. So we're walking towards the lake. We are nearly there. Just left the car behind. Close to the national park. It's about 15 more minutes drive and we're gonna arrive. Okay, that was nice. So let's go now. We're heading to the park. Okay, so when we arrived to the national park, our goal was to get to the Macchabee Viewpoint. So we took the Ep.7 Information Center entry in order to start the Macchabee Forest hike. The stunning Macchabee Viewpoint is in the River Noir district, in the heart of the Black River Gorges National Park, where some of the best trails meet.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Hello guys, so we arrived to the park, which is a visitor center right after the entrance, and we picked up one map guide which cost 25 rupees, and yeah, we're heading towards our destination. So let's see what this park gonna show us today. Right, we made it to the Macchabee Viewpoint. It was 1 hour 20 minutes walk through the forest, and there is the viewpoint right behind me. I'm gonna send the drone so you're gonna see here.